My name is Jon Trevillion. I am the Rail Safety Officer for the Southwest Light Rail Project. I work with both Metro Transit staff as well as the contractor and their staff to help ensure a safe working environment, safe working conditions, and make sure that employees have the required training to perform their tasks safely. My job in a nutshell is to make sure that people have what they need to go to work safely each day. Whether that's training like we've just talked about, we do a lot of training here at Southwest Light Rail, just a lot of it. There's a lot of things that apply. It's not just federal OSHA that has training requirements, it's Minnesota OSHA that has training requirements, as well as our freight rail partners like BNSF and Twin Cities and Western Railroad. They all have training that we need to do. So that really is a key focus of my position, is making sure that we have the safety knowledge we need to go to work each day. In addition to that, I monitor ongoing compliance with our contractors and other partners to make sure that we're providing the safest possible job site for not only our staff, but their staff as well. At all Metro Transit sites, safety is a shared responsibility. That means each of us is responsible for safety in all the things that we do. We bring our A-safety game to every test that we do each day. One of the most important things that enables us to do that is a lot of safety-related training, whether it's specific to this project, safety topics in general, or in some cases related to freight rail traffic. As with developing any safety culture, education is by far the most important thing. We educate our people through ongoing, annual, and periodic training, ranging on a variety of safety topics. In addition to that, we participated in 2020 in a number of safety-focused programs. So for example, Federal OSHA's National Stand Down to Prevent Falls in Construction, Federal OSHA's Safe and Sound Week, the American Ladder Institute's Ladder Safety Month, as well as National Work Zone Awareness Week. With our staff, we do weekly topics, we do incident reviews, we do near miss reports, we do all of those things that there's no legal requirement that we do, but we do them because we share that knowledge, and that improves our safety culture, our safety knowledge, and our ability to recognize and mitigate hazards as they appear. One of the key ways that project leadership is supporting these efforts is by providing resources directed specifically towards safety. So one of the things that we've asked all of our people with field responsibilities to do is regularly complete a site safety assessment. That is a standardized template that lists a variety of potential hazards, and do we recognize those hazards, and then are controls put in place for that. That's something that we ask our folks to do regularly, and our management and leadership is supported all the way through. The key thing is we want everybody on site to be able to recognize common hazards that they're going to encounter on their construction site. We want their site leadership, their superintendent leadership, as well as their project leadership to be able to not just recognize those hazards, but to be able to put in place appropriate and effective controls to control those hazards.